Welcome back to the channel guys. Hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you a super quick way to find and replace words in Microsoft Word. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to exactly know how to do it. Let's jump right into it. First, you have to open your Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to replace the word. Simply maximize it. And if you are on Windows, simply click Ctrl H, or if you are on Mac, simply click Ctrl Shift H. With that, you will get a pop-up here saying find and replace. You simply have to type what word you want to replace. Suppose I want to replace lorem, Lorem. Then simply click find. It finds all the lorem words in your document. There are 2 lorem words in my document. So now you have to write what letter you want to replace that lorem word with. Suppose I want to replace it with L-I-K-E, like. After you have written that, you will get 2 options over here: replace all or replace. You can simply replace all the lorem words or simply replace one of the lorem words. You can choose. Then I will select replace all over here. As you can see, a pop-up will come up saying all done. We made 4 replacements. That means all the words have been changed. And as you can see, the lorem word has been changed to like, and just like that you have replaced words in your Microsoft Word in seconds. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have got any comments or any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.